how to fix missing screen record button on your Xiaomi or MIUI devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the missing screen record button on your Xiaomi phone. So if you're also facing the problems such as not seeing your screen record button on your menu button over like this here, then what you simply need to do is simply download the application called the screen recorder. Let me just show you, such as this one. And what you can do is you can just simply click on the edit button over here. Let me just, as you can see at the top there's the edit button, and so once you simply click on it, you just need to edit it. And as you can see, there's a screen recorder option over here, and what you need to do is simply add it just like this, as I had already added it. So, and click on done, and that should do it. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next